In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloadable files on Google Sites fast and easy. This Google Sites tutorial is perfect for beginners and will guide you step by step, ensuring a smooth and successful setup for sharing files with your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open My Drive within Google Drive. Here, you can select the file you wish to be made downloadable on your site. Once you've found your file, navigate to it and locate the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking these will reveal further actions you can perform. Now we need to ensure this file can be accessed by everyone who visits your site. Click on Share from the options that appear. This will bring up the file's sharing settings. You'll notice that it's likely set to Restricted at first, meaning only specific people can access it. We want it to be available to anyone with the link, so click on Restricted. After clicking, another menu will appear. Change the option to Anyone with the link. This setting adjustment allows anyone with the link to access the file without needing further permissions. Once you've done this, click on the Copy Link button. This step saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready to be used on your Google site. With the link successfully copied, click Done to close the sharing settings. This concludes our work in Google Drive. Now let's move over to the Google Sites part of the process. Go to Google Sites and choose the specific site where you want this file to be downloadable. Once on your chosen site, head over to the Insert section, which is available in the Editor menu. There you'll see options for adding various elements to your site. We are going to focus on creating a button, as buttons are both visible and user-friendly. Click on Button. In the button settings, you'll need to type in a name for your button. A straightforward choice like Download is both clear and action-oriented, making it obvious to your site visitors. In the field labeled Link, paste the file link you copied earlier from your Google Drive settings. Once everything is in place and double-checked, hit Insert to add this newly created button to your site's page. Now your visitors will see a button labeled Download, which, when clicked, will link directly to your downloadable file. Finally, don't forget to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button to make these settings live. Your downloadable file feature is now active and ready for use by anyone visiting your site. By following these steps, you've effectively set up a downloadable file process on Google Sites that's both fast and easy. Thanks for watching, and happy site editing.